By setting the pulser to a low pulse per second, anywhere from 0.7 to 1 pulse per second, that will help you learn your rhythm on adding the filler metal to the puddle. Every time the machine pulses to a high level, you add the filler metal. Every time it pulses to a low level, you're sliding over with your TIG torch. As you get that rhythm, you can start increasing your pulses per second to make that pulse happen faster. And pretty soon, you'll have that rhythm down pat. You can turn the pulser off and have the ability to run your own TIG welding beads at your own rhythm.